wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I am Noah, and this is our Dream Again world. Welcome back. Now, you kids remember last week we were sorting the blocks by colors and we were counting them. Today, we're going to build something with them. Are you excited? Do you know what we're going to build? How about you guess? Or even better, how about you build something as well and send those pictures to us, and we will reveal those images of blocks that you built, buildings you built. Maybe you even built a car or an animal. Whatever it is that you build, you send those pictures to us and we will pick mail and show it to you next week. Okay? So, let me see. We are still waiting for one last delivery from the truck before we can start building. Remember, we had to bring it to the construction site, and this is our construction site. Now, there are certain things that have already been set together and put together, but where is that truck? Mega truck, where are you? There we have him. Okay, so now we need to help him unload. Whoop. Oh, and now we have everything. Let me see. Do we have everything? There's the last one, and there's one more. Oh, I think you're stuck. Here. There we go. Okay, so now Mega Block, I don't think we need you. You can drive it away again. Mega Block is going to help. So, this is what we're going to do. We have everything organized, we have everything structured. Now we're going to create a building that can create electricity. So, we start off with these. We set these up like this, and we put the orange one in the back. So it's all connected. And this, kids, is our base. You see? Now it's all connected like this. And you can see this can actually turn like that. Whee! Whee! Oh, you see, it's slowly breaking apart. So we need to build a stronger base. That means we need to put some blocks right in between here. So it's very, very tight. So which color should we take? How about we use these preset blocks? There are 2 rows set strong. So how about we do this and then, oh, this is even stronger because it has a set of 4. 4 orange and 4 green ones. We will put this in the back here like that, right? That's going to fit nice and tightly. Okay, now that's tight. I think that will work. But now we have a hole missing right there. What are we going to do? I don't know. Wait, look. We have a 2-block blue and a 2-block green right here. See, how about we put this on? Then it matches with our other side. There we go. That will fit nicely. But what about the front? We still need to build some of these wheel blocks. So let me take this one. Where are we going to put this one? I don't know. And then let me see if we can put this one right here. How about that? Does that fit? No. See, we only have one. So what if we, oops, that fell out of my hands. Why don't we put this one there? That'll look good. And then we can place that one there. See? And now we can make this side turn as well. So this side turns and this side turns. You see that? You see that? That's pretty good. Okay, so that works nicely. But now we have a hole right here. We need to put a 1-block piece right there. But how are we going to do that? That's not going to work. We can put this there and we have a one whole piece right there. But are we going to mismatch here? Blue and green? I don't know. Do you like that, kids? I don't really like that. So why don't we take this off again and do this differently? We put this one back and we take this one off. Oh no, I took too many off. Building isn't easy. It's a hard thing to do. So I don't really want to use this one, but I'm going to use this one. And then I can use this single piece right here. Now this looks good. And now I'll try to use this one here, and I'm gonna try to use this one over here. Perfect. Now this should work. Whoa, look at that. It's 3 wheels turning. And right there, it's 2 wheels turning. So let's see if we can put another block here that it'll turn as well. So we do this one here. Oh no, I didn't put it on straight. Okay, now it's straight. And then, let's see. Oh, we can put this one there. And how about we put this one there? Whoa, I think we can have 4 pieces moving there. Let's see. Whoa, that's amazing. We have 4 pieces moving. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it, kids? So now here's the problem. We built so high, the back is very low. Oh, look, but we have steps. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can't get up there. So let me try to fix that too. So how about we put the yellow ones there? It's actually yellow and green. 1 yellow block and 1 green block. So we put that into the back row like this, right? 1, 2, 3, and we have another set. We'll put that right there. That fits. So now we have these left. How are we going to use them? Oh, I think we have a whole piece right here. How about we put them in there? So we'll put this one in the middle, and we'll put this one in the front. And let me move it to the side like this. And then we put this one right there. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And it looks pretty steady. So now, to finish our block, let me turn it to the side like this. And we have these big ones, right? We can put those into the back, right there. And this one we'll put on the other side. That now looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Oh, but I forgot these. The helicopter ones. So why don't I put that into the front? Whoa, now they can fly and they can turn. That's pretty cool, isn't it? See, we can turn there and we can turn on the other side. Whoa, I think Mega Block Truck is pretty happy about that, don't you think? I think he's pretty happy. So kids, today you saw we built a nice building block over there. Doesn't it look pretty good? I like it pretty much too, especially because the blue is up on front. Because blue is my favorite color. Right, Mega Truck? You know, Mega Truck, I didn't realize you have a blue face too. You look pretty happy, don't you? Well, kids, that's it for today. So don't forget to send me your pictures of all the buildings you built, and we will look at them all, okay? And maybe I can show it to Olivia as well. I'm sure she's going to be excited. So thank you and have a good day. Bye! And don't forget to dream again. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!